Wow. Hey. Yeah. Word up.
Living is an artist, ain't it all? Creating for a bigger picture, ain't it all? So I'm telling my story, share with them all. Going on what creative, that's for sure. So I'm starting with the first step. Most important, would like to skip the gap. Words ain't what I seem when I'm repeating this. Try to doubt what I mean when I'm coming with this. Focus on creating my life towards the shaping. On the price to pay, on the price to pray. All of what I'm seeing must be part of me. Step 2. Man, I need a fortune teller. It's with what I'm able to share. What I'm able to share. With what I'm able to share. Step 3. My life is free. My life is limited like a beat. Can you go everywhere within my reach? Need to accept what I am and stay strong. Be patiently waiting and stay calm. Focusing. Waiting and autobiography. Creating a body to see. Then I wonder who, what, where will publish this stuff. And who will help me with the last things on that day. With the things I'm now knowing, what I'm now conscious of. If I blame anyone too many, I'm sorry at this moment. Right now, here we go. Planets on this earth like a spaceship drop tip. Still wondering why I'm going through this pain. High shouldn't be like this, cause it's kinda insane. I'm striving for my lane, but at least I'm striving. Starting and I'm rhyming. This is something, this is like a star shining. Superhero, Superman, walking up front for creating community. Something ought to speak, but I don't yet see. They're lacking in the vision, just wanna increase the reach. This is different from what they said. This is selfies, this is pressure, this is ego, this is nothingness. They're blooming themselves around with it. Unseeing folks seem to follow with it. So I make a distance, take a step back. What the crackback if they're still less seeing me. I at least stay strong to my failures and my efficiency. So I'm way over in a different category. Yes, I'm telling, cause I'm seeing and it's bothering me. Feels like I'm at the bottom of a something sea. While I feel they should be helping me. Never did, never will, never change. They're all the same, proud of what I can reach materialistically. Crack this, crack a bottle open. Hope I can make a distance. Disappear out of my mind, make a room for people whom I really like. Almost make me forget about all the beautiful people outside in this world. Open to reach with me. Open to reach with me. Open to reach with me. All the beautiful people in this world. Reach with me. Open to reach with me. Focus on your riches. Focus on your riches. I crack myself open, make us others able to see me. See me. This is feeling, keep the feel. This is all bothering me. Makes me go beyond, makes me go depressed. So it's careless if I'm setting it straight with this. Feel me. All radio stations who are unknowing of the positions with the capitalistic matter. Yes, you are spreading out the same, cause you're not even realizing where you're living in. Narrowing the path for all of this new beautiful kids coming on this planet, still believing everyone needs to be the same idea of world as you. Cause you can't even see how free you can set yourself, you're so free with me. This MC shares the story slowly, date the mind and the group, and we express uniqueness in our story. Like your understanding around the words we speak. Date the mind for progression and growth. With a strong calmness, putting it slow. Project after project, we do no more. Keep it calm, inactivities, no show. Back in the acting, make it happening. Trustful to our goods, expecting them. Outstanding behavior, real life going on. We need the basis foundation. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. What these words that we speak if we meet each other. We enriching each other just to see how we can be together as one unity, as we like to see as we can be in this mind, in this time when I'm spacing it, placing it, giving it away, so you can say whatever you wanna say at this moment and this time and space. So here I arrive, just to say what's coming up in my mind. Freestyling all the way, cause I free my mind. Yes, I know how to say this. This is cherished, cheerful, like sitting on a chair in a party, talking with each other. When you're meeting each other, it's a beautiful thing. So we can go up and sing a song if you wanna believe it, and we believe it. Been long time, but not over yet. Been long time, but not over yet. Been long time, but not over yet. Hey. The eyes in the mirror of the soul. What's up? It's a new life appearing, where you didn't see but saw mainstream, caring about money, materialistic, sex and having a job. This is new life appearing from your dreams. Hinduism, Buddhism or another practice. Hopefully it's enlightening and giving you lessons for you to spread yourself open to the world. Feel rewards when stepping over anxiety. Accept where I am and stand. This is important, man. I am grounding and stabilizing. Life is a story of lessons. Setting no worries as a direction, cause all is one and I can be relaxing. Non-dualistics, what I see and practice. A way to keep standing my ground. I forgive, hopefully I'm seen as forgiveful. Reflection, the eye is a mirror of the soul. The skin is a reflection of the soul. And the world is as my mirror. New life. The eye is a mirror of the soul. The skin is a reflection of the, and the world is as my new life. Diving deep to reach what I want, wish to accomplish, reach for fulfillment. When I speak, some get cognitive, so I keep calm. The song I've written before, but now the recording works. Hear my core, I wish to practice and develop. I'm scared for sharing criticism. Am I this and am I what I've saying? Who I mean, all I've said?
Or were they just feeling?
Or were they just feelings? Scrapping words and recording when it's sensitive. This is new life appearing in my life. I'm feeling this, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this.
Reflections.
The eye is a mirror of the soul. The skin is a reflection of the soul,
lyrics, but
and the world is
spare them anyway for you to listen.
Why so many things have changed in one generation? Folks around me look the same as this. This is futuristic talk. 10 years further feels like I'm 100 years further. So this is then 100 years further. So time stands still, it's then my own growth going on, dematerializing, including falling out on ambitions of earning money. I dropped it, then I'm dropping it again. I saw a reflection of the soul. I've got clear and light blue eyes, like some people do. I'm a seer, my consciousness has grown. I'm not alone, we're all connected as one. So see as you are. Now I'm asking you, help others see as I do. Blurry visions keep appearing in my drawings. Keep singing your song, keep singing your song. My life is beautiful like a beautiful cup. So I start to shock, my sides start to get open, and eyes are cracked open. Cracking open.
When we're about to die of illness,
cause you're about to go soon and never see them again in the form I now did. This is a bliss I grew up with.
Family meetings. It's a bliss I grew up with family meetings.
Basically the top ranked in my history. I've got it past all. Feel like I'm holding a trophy. My life is short and a beautiful gift, and waste on chasing when I'm unseen. What seemed to be normal is still integrated. Am I living this life as I have seen as a kid? Or will I keep expanding my horizontal view? Never change the rap, never pause the gap. Always been in the top 10, so glad. Feel how I feel, frequent, my own Zoom going on. Yeah man, I can change it by where I am, by who I am. Yes, I'm excited, let's go live. Love forever and for everyone.
What's going on? No one lets us say. Get the compliment and see each other.
Love forever and for everyone. 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 Love forever and for everyone.
Love forever and for everyone.
Love forever and for everyone.
Liefde voor iedereen en voor altijd.
Love forever and for everyone.
Liefde voor iedereen en voor altijd.
Love forever and for everyone.
Check me op de stemmen, maar ik dit dan breng. Check me op de stemmen, maar ik dit dan breng. Na regen komt zonneschijn. Na regen komt zonneschijn. Na regen komt zonneschijn. Ik ga ermee door, niet een beetje maar volledig. Wil niet half maar volledig zijn. Tuurlijk rap ik over rap, dat vind ik vet. Maar om de